Hi everybody, welcome back. So now that we have seen how to use EC Analyzer to build our own corpus, we can start implementing it with uh, EC Sampler, which is where most of the fun happens. So the first thing that we need to do is load a corpus, which, as I said before, must have each sample labeled in a specific way. So I'm going to load this corpus here. And to be more precise, what we need to have in our corpus is we need the name of every single sample to start with a 2 or 3 digit number, which would correspond to the MIDI pitch value associated with that sound file. Now, this doesn't mean that the sample can only consist of a single note, but rather that a single pitch should clearly dominate over the others, either by loudness or duration or repetition or proximity to the beginning of the file. And also that pitch should be specified as a MIDI value at the beginning of the name. So if all the samples in our corpus meet those requirements, then we should be able to move on to the next step. Now, after we load our corpus, we need to select the samples from it that we want to use. We have the option to use all of them, or a subset of them, or a single one. But either way, at least one sample must be selected, otherwise we won't be able to hear anything. So I'm going to select all the samples, and now that I have all the samples selected, I can start using my MIDI input to control the pitch content of the sampler. So let's try that. And as you can hear, what the device is doing is randomly choosing samples from within our corpus, and they're being individually transposed to get the different pitches that we are specifying. So at a surface level, that's what this device is about. It gives us the ability to easily control and specify the absolute pitch content across a selection of multiple samples. And of course, there's a little bit more to it than just that, but having understood that premise, we'll be looking at the different parameters that we have available in the next video. So I hope to see you there, and thanks for watching.